How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force 18 TIR mini light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll have a connector. And this is to be used with our optional dual memory cig-plug, or you can cut this off in hardwire if you'd like to. Now with our dual memory cig-plug, you will have power mode 1 and power mode 2, and you'll have your flash pattern toggle switch here, and you will have dual flash pattern memory. So let's go ahead and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my dual memory cig-plug. So in power mode 1, I have a flash pattern programmed, and in power mode 2, I have a second flash pattern programmed. So I have dual flash pattern memory, and in each power mode, I'll use my flash pattern toggle switch to change flash patterns. And I can do that by using my optional cig-plug, or I can hardwire if I'd like to. Now I did bring an amber color here for example, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a couple of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear alternating color, a amber solid, and a red blue half-half. Now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to mounting your mini bar, you'll get your included magnetic feet here, which can be adjusted via the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then we offer our optional headache rack mounting bracket and optional stud mounts. And to use these, you'll remove your magnetic feet and use your existing hardware on the bottom of your light bar. So that covers our K-Force 18 TIR mini light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.